You can reset the vehicle data of your BMW with Operating System 8. This helps protect your personal data, for example, when the car owner changes. First, make sure that the car is in standby mode and that your vehicle key is at hand. In the app menu, go to System Settings, scroll down, and select Reset Vehicle Data. Be aware, restoring to factory settings not only deletes personal configurations by removing all BMW IDs from the vehicle's operating system, the car is also removed from your My BMW app. Confirm Reset Vehicle Data to start the process. After the vehicle system restarts, you can save new BMW IDs and personal settings. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.